If you have an unusually high water bill, you may have a leak, but how can you know for sure? You can use your water meter to find out if you have a leak. Before you start, make sure all water-using appliances and fixtures in your home, including irrigation systems, are switched off and no one is using any water. Next, locate your water meter. Water meters are usually located in the parking strip or the sidewalk at the front or side of the house. If you are unable to find your water meter, please call your water utility for assistance. Remove the water meter cover, making sure you're not creating a hazard for passersby. If the dial on your meter has a cover on it, remove the cover. Or, if it is muddy, give it a quick clean with a damp cloth. The quickest way to see if you have a leak is to look at the small dial on the face of the water meter. It's white, silver, or black in color. If the dial is not moving when no one is using water, you don't have a leak. If it is moving, you have a leak. To find the leak, locate the main water shutoff valve for your house and turn it off. The shutoff valve can be indoors or outdoors, usually in a basement, crawl space, or garage. If you don't have a shutoff valve, we advise that you arrange for a plumber to install one. Check that the water has been shut off by turning on a faucet and seeing if the water has stopped running. If the dial stops moving after you've turned the shutoff valve off, your leak is inside the house, more than likely in your toilet. To detect a toilet leak, watch our video on finding and fixing toilet leaks. If the dial is still moving when your shutoff valve is off and you have an irrigation system, shut off the water to the irrigation system. If this stops the dial from moving, you have a leak in your irrigation system. If your water to the house is shut off and you either don't have an irrigation system or the irrigation system has been shut off and the dial on the meter is still moving, you have a leak between the meter and your house and will need to call a plumber to repair it. Before finishing, make sure you securely replace the metal water meter cover.